Looking to build a powerful PC that keeps pace with the latest AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors? The ASUS B550 Prime motherboard offers the perfect foundation, combining AMD's AM4 socket with PCIe 4.0 support to unlock faster data transfer, enhanced graphics, and overall smoother performance. If you want your system to handle demanding tasks without breaking a sweat, this motherboard is worth a close look. I recently upgraded my setup with the ASUS B550 Prime, pairing it with an AMD Ryzen 5560X and Corsair memory. The installation was straightforward, thanks to the clear manual and intuitive design. Right out of the box, the board's PCIe 4.0x16 SafeSlot delivered blazing fast connectivity for my GPU, while dual M.2 slots, including one with PCIe 4.0x4 support, handled my NVMe SSDs effortlessly. That means lightning-quick load times and seamless multitasking. Plus, features like USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, HDMI 2.1 supporting 4K at 60 Hz, and DisplayPort 1.2 cover all your display and peripheral needs. The integrated Thunderbolt 3 header is a bonus for future-proofing your build. What really sets this board apart is its comprehensive cooling system. With VRM and chipset heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and ASUS's Fan Expert 2 utility, it keeps temperatures in check even during heavy workloads. The power delivery is rock solid too, thanks to 8+1 DRMOS power stages, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors designed to support AMD's high core count CPUs reliably. That means stable performance when you push your processor to the limit. Protection is another priority here. ASUS 5X Protection 3 includes LangGuard for network security, DRAM overcurrent and overvoltage safeguards, SafeSlot core for your PCIe slots, and a stainless steel back I/O panel to resist corrosion. These features ensure your investment stays safe over time. On top of that, ASUS Optimum technology optimizes memory trace layouts, allowing your RAM to run at higher speeds with lower voltages, translating into better system responsiveness and efficiency. Customization fans will appreciate Aura Sync RGB lighting with an RGB LED header and an addressable Gen 2 RGB header. Sync your system's lighting with a wide range of compatible PC gear to create a setup that's uniquely yours. Just remember to update your BIOS before installing a Ryzen 5000 series CPU to ensure full compatibility. Visit ASUS's website, search your motherboard model, and download the latest BIOS under the Support tab. If you're building or upgrading a PC with AMD's Ryzen 5000 or 3rd Gen Ryzen CPUs, the ASUS B550 Prime motherboard delivers a balanced mix of speed, reliability, and features. It's a proven choice for enthusiasts who want solid performance without unnecessary complexity. If that's you, this board is ready to help you unlock your system's full potential. Try it when you're ready.